Give me inspiration.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you're watching me from across the world, across the globe. My name is Godinemeka Moses Omenoko. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Omenoko Lifestyle. That's right. Today, I'll be showing you how to multiply, prepare, and plant your pineapple stem, which you actually obtain from your pineapple crown. So a lot of people don't really know how pineapple is being propagated, how it's being grown. But today I'm going to show you how that's being done. It's actually from the pineapple fruit itself. You remove the stalk, the crown, and you can. In this episode, I want to show you how to actually multiply it, because one pineapple crown can actually give you multiple stems, which you can plant, which you can prepare for planting. So as you can see in the video, I'm already dividing the pineapple crown to produce to get myself multiple stems. And in this for this video, I'm actually dividing the crown into two parts. So I'm going to get two stems, which I'm going to which I'm putting currently into plastic bottles with containing water, preparing it for plantation. So what I do is that I get the pineapple crown, I split it into two, then I just get empty bottle waters, empty raw plastics of water. Then I put the stems which I've splitted um, into the plastic. Okay. Well, with regards to the container that you have to use for to plant the pineapple stems, it doesn't have to be what I'm using. You can use any container you find around your home which you're no longer making use of. There's no specific container and no specific size, but just make sure the pineapple stem can fit into whatever container you have that you want to make use of. Well, keep watching the process as I continue to split the pineapple crowns to get more stems and stock for planting. I take my time most of the time when I want to do this, so I could just get what I want. Then, in most cases, also that's what is known as the stocky leaves, which is what what I just removed. Some of those leaves, the ones around the base of the stem and the ones in the middle of the stem, I block them off because most of the roots offshoots will come out from that part, especially those around the base of the stem. Watch as I slice more containers I want to use, the more plastic I want to use to plant the stems. After splitting them, I put the pineapple stems, which is being obtained from the crown, into the plastics. Then I add water to it and I leave it for some period. I'm preparing as much stalk or stem as possible for plantation. Removing the stocky leaves. I've removed most of the base stocky leaves around where the root is supposed to come out. Normally, pineapple plants have what is known as fibrous roots, and that's what we're expecting to come out come out from these pineapple stems in a few days or a few weeks' time to develop its fibrous roots before we start transplanting. So we're going to leave it for about 14 days, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So every 3 days, we just make sure you drain the water. You change the water from the pineapple stock that you're trying to plant. So I've drained the water and I'm trying to change the water. So I just refill back the water cups. I just put back the water. So we do this as often as possible until it starts growing roots. We do it as often as possible until it starts growing roots. Then we'll transplant as we've done others. Thank you very much. So it's about 10 to 15 days, about 8 to 10 days. And although I'm changing the water now, but see, our pineapple have started sprouting roots. Our pineapple have started sprouting roots and getting ready for transplant. I'll just wait for the complete 2 weeks before I transplant. I just changed the water. Some pineapple here. Let's go and see other ones. Pineapple we have planted. Although this we didn't plant in water cups first. We have our pawpaw. I think this might be needing some water. Our pawpaw plant. How about our pineapples here? They're doing good. Very, very good. Hello, good morning, viewers. My name is Godwin Emeka Moses of Omenoko Lifestyle channel. So we're going to be doing our video on how I'll be transplanting the pineapple that have its offshoot roots already. Our pineapple plant. So let me just show you again once more. This is like it's between 14 days to 21 days. That's about 2 weeks to 3 weeks, and it has our pineapples have already brought out enough roots, so we're going to be transplanting today. So come with me to the garden section where I have some pineapples already planted, and I'll add these ones to it. Let me get some more. I'll come back and get others. So we'll go transplant our pineapple. Oh wow, compost. You can see the roots system. a very good root system. I'll just put we have our pineapples planted and transplanted already. So we need the next we'll watch it for the next 1.5 years, or 1.5 to 2 1.5 years. So we're going to water it and watch it blossom within the next 24 months and 18 to 24 months. And we can start having our pineapple. Eating it from time to time, adding manure and all that. So until it blossoms fully, the pineapple will be ready to harvest. Well, come and see the ones we did earlier. So we had all these ones earlier planted, and they're doing well. They're coming out. Sprouting on in there. Doing good. So that's it.